Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Each day this week, I'm focusing on one of the Black saints of the Catholic Church. And today, I want to talk about St. Josephine Bakhita. She was born in the Darfur region of southern Sudan in 1868. She was kidnapped at the age of 7, sold into slavery, and given the name Bakhita, which means fortunate. She was sold and resold several times. Finally, in 1883, to the Italian Council. She was sold there in Khartoum, Sudan. 2 years later, he took Josephine to Italy and gave her to his friend. Bakhita became babysitter to Mimina Micheli, whom she accompanied to Venice's Institute of the Catechumens, run by the Canossian sisters. While Mimina was being instructed, Josephine felt drawn to the Catholic Church. She was baptized and confirmed in 1890 and took the name Josephine. When the Michelis returned from Africa and wanted to take Mimina and Josephine back with them, the future saint refused to go. During the court case that ensued, the Canossian sisters and the Patriarch of Venice intervened on Josephine's behalf. The judge concluded that since slavery was illegal in Italy, she had actually been free since 1885. Josephine then entered the Institute of St. Magdalene of Canossa and made her profession in 1896. She soon became well loved by the children who attended the sisters' school and also by the local citizens. She has once said, "Be good, love the Lord, pray for those who do not know him. What a great grace it is to know God." The first steps toward her beatification began in 1959. Josephine Bakhita was beatified in 1992 and canonized a saint in the year 2000. Thank you once again for watching the Daily Message.